Hi everyone! In this video, we will learn how to reset a WordPress password. We have three methods to do this. Number 1, dashboard method. Number 2, admin, lost password method. Number 3, cPanel method. Let's get started. Number 1, dashboard method first. Open the WordPress admin dashboard. Click on Users, then click on Profile. Scroll down and click on Set New Password. Click on Strong Password. Then click on Log Out everywhere else. Scroll down again and click Update Profile. Now reload the page. Your password has been updated. Number 2, Admin Lost Password Method. Go to the WordPress login page and click on Lost Your Password. Enter your email and click Get New Password. Click on Generate Password. Then click Save Password. Finally, click Update Password. Your password is now reset. Number 3, cPanel method. First, open your Hostinger hPanel. Then click on WordPress Admin. Next, click on Databases. Scroll down and click on Enter PHP My Admin. In PHP My Admin, click on the WordPress Users table. Now, click the Edit option next to your username. In the password field, delete the existing password and paste your new one. Click on the box next to the field and choose MD5 from the drop-down menu. After selecting MD5, click on Go to save the changes. Now go to the WordPress login page, enter your email, and paste the password you just set. As you can see, your password has been successfully changed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.